Sum of series program. The problem is write a program to find sum of series which begins at 4500. Length of a block is stored in the location 44FFH. We have to calculate the sum, store the sum here and store the carry here. As the sum of numbers may generate a carry, that's why we have to count the carry. A sample data is shown. Length we have to pick from this location 44FF. Remember, very next location onwards the data starts. That can be any of the length. So whatever the length we have to show. So we'll have to use a looping program here. Sum will be stored here at 4600 and 4601 will store the carry. Here is the solution of the program. 44FF location contains 0, 9. So we have to pick that length. So we assuming that length is 0, 9. This is a sample data here which is shown. All this is a sample data. So first line of the program picks the data from this location and stores it in accumulator. The command LDA loads from this address, stores in accumulator. From accumulator that data is copied to C using move C, A command. LXI H4500 initializes H and L register to values 45 and 00 respectively. Next line sets the accumulator 0, sets the flags. This is MVI B00 command used to keep the carry count. Carry count will be stored here in register B. Next line is add M here. This add M adds value from HL pointer address, that is value, this value is added to accumulator. If carry is generated, it will go here and increment B. If carry is not generated, it will go here. Now assume carry generated, it will increment B. So from register B will become from 0 to 1 and then it goes here. HL address is increased, content of HL which points the address. So it will store 4501 and C register will decrease by 1. C is working as a counter here. So whenever we process one number, we are incrementing the address, we are decrementing the counter, remember. So next, after decrementing C, if it has become 0, we go here. If it is not, then we repeat the loop. So here, after decrementing C, check the 0 flag. If it has become 0, then it goes here, next line, that is STA and so on. Otherwise, it goes up. Again, it says add M. So next value will be taken from 4501. Carry flag is checked. If carry flag is set, increment B. Else, skip to increment the HL pointer and decrement C. Even carry flag is set, after B is incremented, this step is going to execute and so on. Now this process is going to be repeated 9 times. At the end of the ninth running of the loop, decrement C will result in 0 in register C and 0 flag will be set. Now this will not go to action, will not go to here, action. That will go down. Next line. Next line is store the content of accumulator to 4600. So 4600 here will get the sum in the memory. Move B to A. Here content of B is moved to A. So carry count was stored here in every loop if you remember. And that B is moved to A. And then that value of carry count is stored in 4601 location. So carry count is here. I hope you have understood this program very well. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel for more 8085 microprocessor programs.